Adding a prospect record in Peak. To add a new prospect in Peak, select the New Guest Card or Phone Call option from the menu bar or icon shortcut menu. A new prospect entry window displays. Note that the date and time fields default to the current system date and time. Tab through the fields to accept the default or modify them as needed. Select the property contacted from the lookup window. A blue question mark icon in Peak indicates that the field has a lookup list. Click the icon to display a list of respective options. Highlight the property in this case and click Select. The property field is now populated. Select the prefix for the new prospect. Note that shadowed boxes in Peak designate drop-down fields. Enter the prospect's first, last, and middle name in the respective fields using the Tab key to advance to the next field. Next, enter the desired lease term. In this example, 12 will indicate the number of months. Select the prospect's desired unit type. The unit types displayed in the drop-down field will filter to only those codes available for the assigned property. Enter the prospect's anticipated move-in date in the Date Needed field. In the Source field, select the option that best describes the advertising source that directed the prospect to the property. Enter the prospect's current address information in the appropriate address fields. Enter the prospect's employment information in the respective fields. Select the agent associated with the prospect from the leasing agent lookup list. If a specific unit was viewed during a visit, the unit number can be listed in the Units Shown field. Select the appropriate phone number description and enter the prospect's phone number. You have the ability to record up to 3 contact numbers for a prospect. Note that phone number fields are entered without dashes, as Peak auto-formats the 10-digit number when tabbing to the next field. Enter the prospect's email address and any special requests. The follow-up date field will auto-populate based upon system settings. Tab through this field to accept the default or modify as needed. At this point, we're going to save the record. Additional information is linked to a prospect's record through tabs located at the bottom of the window. Click on any of the tabs to change the record view and access linked information. The Events tab is used to record additional visits or phone contact with the prospect. To add an event, select the New Event button in the record header. fill in the details of the contact event, and then select Save and Close to return to the prospect record. An event record is added to the tab. The Calendar tab displays any reminders linked to the prospect. In this case, there is a reminder to follow up with the prospect. You can display and/or edit the details of the reminder by double-clicking the entry to open. Select Save and Close to return to the prospect. The Applications tab displays a list of any completed applications linked to the prospect record. Since we just created this new prospect, no applications currently exist. The Comments tab allows users to record additional information pertaining to the prospect. The Update tab displays key information concerning the creation and modification of the prospect record as well as the prospect's active status. Last, the Attachments tab allows users the ability to link documentation to the prospect record, such as a scanned copy of a follow-up note. Simply type in a document description and browse to the file location to set the path. We have completed entry of the prospect record. Save and close to return to the icon window.